All right. Okay. Can I finish? Please let me finish. Okay. The Somali Sunrise Concert Tour for Peace. The Somali Sunrise Concert Tour for Peace has been really tough. You know, 90% of the peace projects out there, even peace music projects, are rallying people who are already peaceful. You know, this is important. Build solidarity, build hope, and bring people together. But what we're trying to do is more than that. You know, the primary goal with Somali Sunrise, with Waya Usub and their music, is also to persuade those youth who are at risk of getting into violence, who may want to pick up a gun, who lost their parents, who have nothing, who don't see their future. So it's a different kind of project, a different kind of concert that is aimed to persuade youth not to pick up weapons, not to join extremists, you know, to seek peace, to try to live like your kids, you know, your youth, you know, enjoy your youth. You need peace before you can get anything else you want in this life. And sometimes those kids need to be reminded that they have a future. They need to be talked directly to, not only to the peaceful, Western, happy people, but, you know, reach out to these kids who are troubled. That's what Waya Usub is doing, and it's kind of amazing. They are, without a doubt, Waya Usub is without a doubt the bravest set of musicians I've ever met, or jammed with, or learned about. Because all over the world, I mean, even in Afghanistan, there are heavy metal bands risking their lives, you know, because they really believe in music and the power of it. In Iran, there are musicians who can risk getting arrested just to perform live in public alternative music. But in Somalia, I mean, Waya Usub, they're here in Kenya because they're refugees. They were refugees from the war. The wars ruined their communities. They, even here in Kenya, the war has come here sometimes with terrorists bombing mosques or bombing their enemies, trying to stir up trouble. Extremists threatened the band. They shot Shine several times, and somehow he survived. DeGrio got attacked by a mob of people. Another woman who was singing got cut in the face and beaten, threatened to not participate.
The battery is doing like this.
Is it? Oh, that's okay. All right, let me just finish real quick. Yeah, so Waya Usub, they faced war, hunger, poverty. They've been attacked. They've been shot, beaten, cut, and on top of all that, the extremists are still threatening them. They want to give all their music away for free, you know, because they want to influence the youth and bring peace. But then that means that it's hard to bring in money. And on top of all of that, we brought a cinematographer over here, and he ended up getting mugged. We almost got all our film stolen, but they had to fight off, and everybody got stabbed. Then I ended up getting mugged, got my laptop stolen. Even before that, and back when we got started, I got mugged. Then on top of all that, I ended up in the hospital with septic shock and septicemia blood infection. Shine's father is in the hospital needing some kind of really serious surgery. We're facing every barrier. It's just been really tough.